Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know it's been a minute since I last filmed, and I apologize, but I'm back. So besides that, you guys are here for a tutorial on this look that I have on right now. So if you guys like this look and want to see how I created it, then please keep watching, guys. So we are moving on to eyes really quick, but just want to let you guys know I typically will prime my lids, but today I just put concealer on because I couldn't find my eye primer. So that is all set, and then to set that, I'm going in with this Tartelette in Bloom palette in the color Flower Child, which is this neutral color right here, and then just, like I said, setting the primer color. With that, I'm just using one of my Coastal Scent brushes. Alright, so that is the only color that I'm going to use that's not in the Anastasia palette. Alright, so next we are going in with our Luxie 205 blending brush. Alright, so first off, I want to say sorry if I mispronounce any of these names in the palette. I'm going to try my best to pronounce them right, but if I mispronounce them, I do apologize. But the first color we're going to take is Buon Fresco, which is this like mauve pink color right here. And like I said, I'm just taking this Luxie 504 crease brush and putting it on my crease. And with this, you want to bring it up a little bit higher than you typically would for your crease, so closer to the brow bone. Alright, so next I'm taking my Ipsy brush. It's a blend. What is this? Ipsy L34 Blend Beauty Brush, and obviously I got it in my Ipsy bag. And I'm going to mix two colors and right below the first color that we just used. So I'm taking Red Orca and Love Letter, which is this deep red color right here, and this more fuchsia color right here. And I'm lightly dabbing on it, guys, because it is really pigmented. But one thing I have noticed with this palette, the colors are very pigmented. So I'm just lightly brushing back and forth. So now that's done, we are attempting like it's a smoky eye, but kind of like a halo effect. So we are taking the color Cypress Ombre, which is this brown color right here, and I'm taking two different size brushes from Coastal Scents. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's super bright out, so sorry for the reflection. But yes, I'm just taking these two. They're the same brush, just different sizes from the Coastal Scents. And like I said, using that brown color from the palette and putting it in my inner tear duct and my outer corner, and leaving a little gap for the color that we're going to use to create that halo effect. Taking the smaller one and putting it in my inner corner. And this color, I believe, is like, I mean, I'm saying all of them are like super pigmented, but honestly, I zoomed you guys up a little bit so you guys can see. But this one, like, I just did a little dab, and it's like, holy crap. And this one, I kind of want to be a little bit neater with it. I'm actually just going to continue just using this little one, because this little one is actually very, like, it's easy to, what's it called? Hold on. It'll get to me. Easy to, like, work with. There we go. So I'm just going to continue and then do it on my outer corner. Alright, so I kind of made it a little bit pointy on the end so I can just kind of mix it or blend it with this blending brush and all over my crease. Now, moving on to our halo effect, we are taking Primavera, which is this gold color right here, and using our Sephora airbrush shadow brush to put it in the middle of our lid. And I'm just lightly patting it on and then building that pigmentation if I need a little bit more. In with my Luxie brush that we've been using, and I'm actually going to take Warm Taupe, which is this color right here, and just kind of blending everything neatly together. Moving on to our highlight bone. So we're taking this color Vermeil, which is a champagne color in the palette, and just taking a small little brush from Coastal Scents and just obviously putting it on our highlight bone. Do y'all see that? Like, what? Oh my Lanta. That is like, bro, that's gorgeous. Then we're going back with Red Orca and just taking another tiny small brush and putting that on our lash line. We're actually going to mix Primavera with Vermeil and put that in the center of our lash line. So now we are going in with our Black Track Fluid Line from MAC, which is a gel liner. So I just picked up a new one because I ran out. And honestly, these are one of my staples. This has been with me since I first started using makeup, which was back in high school. So yes, this has been like my favorite gel liner. And I've tried multiple ones and they just don't compare to this one. So what I'm doing is putting it on my lash line and my waterline. Alright, now that's done, we are taking from Benefit Roller Lash, which is one of my favorite mascaras currently. Alright, so the other day when I went to Ulta, I picked up some lashes. So I picked up these, which were the Studio Effects Wispies, which I used a pair and I really liked them because it was buy two get one free. Ah. And then I also picked up the Fox Mink 812 lashes, which look like this. But, I think I want to try the Studio Effect ones with this look. So I'm going to pop them on really quick and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, it is like setting now because it's almost, what time is it? It's 3:45, so the sun is like setting, so I apologize if the sun is like, whoo. But basically, I just popped on the lashes, so we are done. I'm about to wipe off the lip gloss that I had, and honestly, you could use, which one? You could use lip gloss if you want like a nude lip, but I prefer a darker lip. But I use this Buxom in the color Ashley. So we're taking the color Blackmail from Urban Decay Vice. Alright guys, that completes this look. I absolutely love the way this turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you'd like to follow me on social media, the links will be listed down below for you guys. So without further ado, I have nothing else to say. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!